Hello, it's Mr. Chambers here again, and I'm here to teach you how to remove items from lists. So in our last lesson, if you're following this series of Python videos, we had lion, tiger, bear, monkey, owl, and zebra, and we'd store that in the list. In my last video, I may have talked to you and said you shouldn't really mix arrays. You can. It's just when I am getting students to do a lot of code, it's easier if you don't have a mix of data types when you start doing lists and looping through them, which will be introduced to you in another lesson. Now, if I want to add to the end of the list, you'll notice in the previous video, I did that by using the append. So I'm going to just demonstrate that again. And we're going to add a giraffe to the end of the list here. Now, I did that with an input and I appended that specific item and printed it out. Now, there are two ways you can take items out of your list. Okay. Now, one way you may want to do it, and it works if you are removing specific information, is you can use the word remove. So you can say animals dot remove, and in brackets, I can put bear. And that's going to remove bear from my list. And if I print it out now, I should see that. So if I run that, I'm going to add my giraffe in again. But you'll notice what it does is it does a linear search. Without you realizing it, it searches through all the items to find that and remove it from your list. So if it exists, it's going to go through each of those and take it out. Now, there's another way to do that. You may want to remove an item from your list by doing it via an index, so a specific position. So what you can actually do is you can use the word del, okay? And you put the name of your list, okay? So del animals. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our index and I'm going to remove, let's look at our original list, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to remove the owl, so that's position 4. Remember, our index is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if this works. Print animals. We're going to run that. And which item would you like? So we're going to just, again, we're going to add a giraffe. But you'll notice that owl has been removed because I've removed it by the index. So that's a function that you may find useful, particularly if you move on to A level. But these are some basic features that you can do with lists. So we've done append, we've removed, but you've also done delete, which does it by the index. So I hope that was useful and given you a little bit more understanding about how single arrays work.